press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
Hey people, welcome back on Indian Makeup, and this is the look I would be creating for all of you. This is a really nice office wear makeup look and you can rock this look at a party. So yes, if you want to know how I have created this beautiful easy look, then please keep on watching. An important message, guys, that a giveaway is going to run soon on my channel. So yes, it is a huge giveaway. So if you want to know what's about the giveaway and what are the informations, then please keep watching my videos and all the information would be coming soon on my videos. So I have color correct my skin, and if you want you can skip this thing, the color correction thing, but I love the color correction thing on my face because I have some blackness, blueness going on my face. So yes, I love the color correction thing. And now you can also use a concealer if you are having a very light blackness going under your eyes. You can use the concealer. And also now moving ahead, I would be using this CC cream from Lakme. Yes, because it is a office wear makeup look, so I would not be using any heavy base on my face. So I would be using this CC cream, and this is really nice and lightweight on your skin. So I'm in the shade beige. So I would be using this for my office wear makeup look, and it is very handy, such a small thing. And now I would be applying it first with the help of my finger, and then I would be using a brush for blending, but you can also blend it with your fingers. It blends like anything, like crazy. So yes, let's get started. So I have applied the CC cream on my face, and now with the help of an oval brush I would blend it out. So I have blended out my CC cream, and you can see it is looking so flawless. It is apt for your regular wear use. You can use it in your office, you can use it for your college, you can use it for your school. Even if you are going out for a shopping in the market, you can just use it. It would look beautiful and it would sit beautiful on your face. So yes, I have just blended out my CC cream, and now I would be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. If you want you can skip this, but it looks beautiful. It just highlights your under eyes, and wherever you want to highlight, it looks beautiful. So yes, I'm in the shade medium, and I would be going very light with the concealer, not like heavily concealed under eyes, but yes, a little bit. This is it, and now I would let it sit for around half a minute, and then I would blend it out with my ring finger. So now my concealer has dried up a bit, and now I would be using my ring finger to just blend it out. So yes, now I have blended out my concealer, and now I would be using a compact for just setting my under eyes and around my mouth, because yes, it is summer and you sweat a lot. So yes, it is very necessary for setting your base with the help of a compact. And for setting my base, I'm using this Lakme Flawless Matte Complexion Compact, and I'm in the shade Apricot, and very light-handedly I would just set my under eyes. I have also just applied a little bit of compact on my eyelids because I get really oily eyelids in summers. So it is very necessary for applying a little bit of compact on your eyelids if you get oily eyelids, so that your eyeshadow gets blended really easily and flawlessly. So because it is an office wear makeup look, I would be going really soft on my eye makeup. So for my eye makeup, I'm using this shade right here. This is a really nice peachy sort of a shade, and with the help of my blending brush, eye makeup blending brush, I would be just picking up a little bit and placing it on my crease. So I have applied my crease color, my transition color, and now I would be using this color right here. This is a really nice cool brown color. So I would be using a very little amount, and I would be just placing it on my outer V, and then I would be blending it in my crease. And now I would be using this ivory pearly kind of a shade. So I would be using it for my eyelids, and I would be using my fingers to just place it. So I have applied it, and now with the same blending brush I would blend out the edges so that there are no harsh lines whatsoever. And now for my eyeliner, I'm using this Insight eyeliner. This is a really nice eyeliner. I have bought it from Amazon, and one of the affordable ones. So yes, this is one of the great eyeliner I have. So yes. So I have gone for a very thin eyeliner, but if you just love a thick winged liner, you can just go for it. It's all up to your choice. For my mascara, I am using this Lakme Iconic mascara, and I would just give it a nice coat of mascara on my eyelashes. So I have applied the mascara on my upper and the lower lash line, and now for my bronzing I'm using this ADS Bahama Mama, and I would be using this color right here. This is a really nice color, and with the help of a brush I would just bronze up my face a little bit. And now for my blush, I'm using the Savannah Colors Glow Fluid Cheeks, and this is one of my first blusher I have ever had. So yes, it is a really nice color, triple colored blush, and it has beautiful coral orangey shades which would look beautiful in summers. So with the help of my brush, I would just apply. And now my mascara has dried out, and now I would be using a kajal. This is Lakme Iconic Kajal, and this is one of the best kajal I have ever had. It is smudge proof, it is waterproof, perfect for summers. So I would be just lining up my waterline a little bit. And now I would be smudging it with the help of a smudger brush. And now for my lip color, I would be using a lip liner which is from the brand Ivory. This is the brand, and I would be using my Lakme lip color, and it is in the shade Pink Bureau, which is in the code MP4. So first of all, I would be lining up my lips. The reason behind I have used a lip liner is because this is one of the shade which washes me out a little bit if used alone. So I like it using with a lip liner, and because this is a very beautiful shade, so I just love using it. And you can see I have used it a lot. This much is left in the bullet. So yes, now and now for some highlighter, I'm using this my evergreen highlighter, Savannah Colors. So I would be using this champagne gold shade and a very little amount, because yes, like in office you can't wear a lot of highlighter, a blinding highlighter. So I would be just applying it on my brow bone a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my cheeks, a very slight amount on my cheekbones. So this is my office wear look, and you can use it on your regular basis. You can just play with the colors, the shades you want, and you can just rock any party over there by just changing your lip color to a vibrant red or a beautiful maroon, or for that matter you can also use a brown. So yes, this is the look, and I have wear this beautiful earrings to just show you that you can use this look in the night also. So this was a makeup look for office wear for all of you guys, and I hope you loved it. And if you loved it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get all notified whenever I upload a new video. So yes, this was all for this video, and I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.